Hi, I'm deaf. I am fully deaf. Parents, they didn't know I was deaf until I was 7 years old. My parents' world came crashing down. I didn't relate to that hearing world. It's very negative. My parents, they didn't even learn sign language. They were just outside the world. It's oral. Sign language is oral speaking. When I was growing up, I learned how to read lips, oral speech. That was my world. Wow, what a challenge. It was frustrating. Communication was not cool, not good. When I was 3 years old, my first word was boat. My parents' car, I called it boat. That's why I have, well, my parents looking back, I realized that they didn't understand the language, how it was developed in America, how it developed. It's important that deaf in America have the language. It's natural for them to see and use that as their way. The language, oral, not so much. It's important that deaf will have language. Right now, read deaf language. So precious for that language. Deaf. You know, oh, that's all I got. More practice I need.